Yes,
Hi, I
this
am
is
Avocado,
AI-generated
the best
video.
fruit to lower cholesterol.
Hi, I am Ginger, the best route to lower cholesterol.
Hi, I am green tea, the best tea to lower cholesterol.
Hi, I am Okra, the best vegetable to lower cholesterol.
Hi, I am olive oil, the best oil to lower cholesterol. Hi, I am flaxseed, the best seed to lower cholesterol.
Hi, I am Walnut, the best nut to lower cholesterol.
Hi, I am Garlic, the best spice to lower cholesterol.
Hi, I am oat, the best grain to lower cholesterol. Hi, I am turmeric, the best spice to lower cholesterol.